Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 3.ET.4, Original Line. So, now we're going to take a look at our blank second staff and write our own melody there, like we did for the composition project. In terms of requirements, you must include at least one of all of the types of non-chord tones we've looked at so far, which would be passing tone, neighbor tone, double neighbor, appoggiatura, and escape tone. Circle and label all the non-chord tones in your melody. So, a good way to start out might be just writing in some chord tones and then going back and trying to fit in those non-chord tone types. So maybe I go 1, 3, 5. 5 likes to go to 6. 1, 3, 5, 6, 4. 4 likes to go to 3, but I'm kind of circling around 5, so I'm like 1, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5, which is actually kind of similar to 1, 1, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, but it's interesting. It's different enough that I think it's fine. But here we go down 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Maybe I go the other way. Maybe I go 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 5, 1. So it's the same sort of idea, but in reverse. And then we have 1, 1, 4, 1, 5. Our bass. So I've gone up to 1. Maybe I come back down to, oh, that does 5. Maybe I go down to 3. 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7, 1. That's not going to work, because that's the wrong chord progression. So 5, 1, 7. That could be. Okay, so now I have a bunch of chord tones. This melody is entirely chord tones. Places I can put in a passing tone. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. That's a place. So 2/16, just squish them in there. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. I need a place for a neighbor tone. 5, 6, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 5. That would, I kind of like that, but it's not a neighbor tone because 4 is also in a 5/7 chord. 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 5, 1. 1, 7, 1. 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7, 3, 1. 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 7, 1, 7. There's a neighbor tone. Not super thrilled with it, but it works. I need a double neighbor tone somewhere. I think this would be a good place. Da, 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 da. So kind of reverse that. So let me do that beam so that I can see that there is a 16th beam there. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 1, 7, 5, 1. I'm saying the wrong number, sorry. So this bar is looking a little sorry in terms of non-chord tones. So let's see. We still need an appoggiatura and an escape tone. Da 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 da. So we could put an appoggiatura there. Da, 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 da. And if we actually put another D there, then that becomes an escape tone. That's not a chord tone. So then we need to go back and label. We have a passing tone, we have a double neighbor, we have an appoggiatura, and then the other note becomes a non-chord tone, becomes an escape tone, and we have a regular old neighbor tone here. Let's go to the piano and listen to this. There's some interesting things that I wouldn't have thought to do without the required non-chord tones. It's also a little hard because because of all the repeat structures, I only gave myself 3 measures to work with. If I had this twice, then there would be more opportunities to put stuff in. So this is a little crammed. But for the sake of example, this shows you one way to go about it. You don't necessarily need to start with that chord tone framework if that's not something you want to do. You could base something off of the melody, as long as it fits the chord tones. You could just come up with something. Whatever works. This is just one way to go about it. If you're feeling stuck, just write some stuff with only chord tones and then go back and add the non-chord tones in. See you next time.